Problem 7, a triangle problem. And again, we've got a free point here. It says sketch the triangle, writing in the side length and angles, and they're going to give me a point to do that. So I have triangle ABC, and it tells me that AC is 7 centimeters, and angle ABC, the B is in the middle, is 65 degrees. And angle ACB is 30 degrees. I have a 30-degree angle. And they asked me to calculate the length of AB. I do not have a right triangle, so I can't use right triangle trig, but I do have an angle, and a side. I have a side opposite of an angle, and I can go ahead and use the law of sines. So I know that the length of AB over 30 degrees, over the sine of 30 degrees is equal to 7 over the sine of 65 degrees. And you can use your calculator for that. We're going to say that AB is equal to 7 times the sine of 30 degrees divided by the sine of 65 degrees. Here's a reminder, make sure that your calculator is in degree mode, and there would be no reason on the IB test for your calculator to not be in degree mode. Remember though that when your calculator is reset at the beginning of the IB exam, it will go back to radian mode. You'll want to put it into degree mode right away. So I'm now going to calculate 7 times the sine of 30, which I already know is a half, and then divide that by sine 65. And my answer is 3.86. And next I'm asked to find the area of the triangle. And remember that the area of a triangle is equal to 1/2 AB sine C. So C is the included angle. Now you're going to have to do a little calculating here. So we just figured out that AB is 3.86, and to use the formula I need to find the angle that's missing. So that would be 85 degrees right here. This is kind of what they're testing you to see if you really know how to use the area using sines rule. So I'm going to calculate the area is equal to 1/2. Side length A is 3.86. Side length B is 7, and then I'm going to say the sine of 85 degrees. And my answer is area is equal to 13.5 centimeters squared.